I can just give an example that even in my court now, the amount of cases of cybercrime have come, even a small place like Shillong, where AI is being used to mock voices, to induce people to make payments. I can just give you a case in point. It involves a lawyer of this court itself. I'll not name her. Then she received a call from a senior of this court, asking her, saying, look, I'm just out, like, can you just transfer 90,000 to this account? In the evening, I'll repatriate it to your account. They said, yes, sir, I'll do it. And it was so convincing, and she sent this amount, used OTP from the bank, the UPI payment, whatever, and found out later in the evening that when she called the senior, he said, I never made the call. So she was, confused, and so she went to, then she called up the bank. The bank said it's a valid transaction as far as the bank's concerned because you made a request, the OTP was sent, and he sent the number. And so it started the chain of events, which also exposed me to how this thing works, where multiple numbers are used, how I directed for status reports we filed, and a number of person from Bihar, that was the number used, then triangulated or called from Haryana, and when the person from Bihar was brought to Shillong to be produced for the magistrate, he was just a peasant. He had no idea that his number had been used to affect this kind of cybercrime. And so, how we address and how these issues, I think Mr. Dixit is here to throw a lot of light as how courts have been alive to the new situations. Also, frozen accounts, how accounts being frozen now, and the multiple agencies are involved also in tracking the account. In some cases, what happens is that the account frozen automatically. Now, some cases, suppose the deposit is from a postal account, then there are a lot of interlayered, these difficulties facing these enforcement agencies also. Results in some innocent people also, the account being frozen, not being able to run a business. So these are all the issues which I hope, you will, from this program, we have good takeaways. And of course, about data preservation and that is electronic data preservation, and those other aspects. But firstly is how will courts deal when a matter comes to court, and how we can go about it.
Batlung travelled far, quite far from the city. He's always left wondering if he's going to get done early to catch the bus back home to his village. Are you tired of waiting? Have you had enough of all the running around? Do you feel like giving up and just going home? Don't worry, you have the right to timely and efficient services. According to the Meghalaya Right to Public Services Act 2020, you have the right to obtain notified citizen-related services in Meghalaya within a given time limit from various government offices, including the DC offices. Be it registration of deeds, application for tribal certificates, or permission for events, you can access details of all notified services here. Many public services are now available under the Meghalaya Right to Public Services Act. You can apply for these services and check your application status on the MSPSDC web portal. If you're unsure how to apply online, seek assistance from someone in your village or visit a nearby common service center. If a service you requested has been unfairly denied or delayed, you can appeal to higher authorities or the Commission to help you get the service. Visit the Meghalaya State Public Services Delivery Commission's website now at www.mspsdc.meghalaya.gov.in. Or you can also visit their office in the Horseshoe Building, Lower Lashmere, or send an email for assistance to cc.mspsdc@gmail.com.